Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what that was. And if you're new, welcome. Welcome to Magical Mask Monday. As usual, we're going to do an oracle card reading. But first, we are using the Sugar Skull Illuminating Vitamin C and Candula Mask. And it says it's infused with radiance boosting vitamin C and candula to help encourage a vibrant, even toned complexion. And then it says traditionally orange and yellow sugar skulls represent the sun and the Mexican marigold. Okay. Not wanting to stay on for whatever reason, but whatever. All right, as usual, we're going to be using Moonology, Ask Your Guides, and Sacred Forest. I already pulled the Moonology card out. We are in a waning crescent moon, and that's what we're going to be reading today. So I'm going to get these shuffled up. I'll bring you down where you can see. We had a wonderful weekend. I hope you did. We were kid-free for once, so this is why the video is a little late. I didn't film this weekend. We just relaxed and enjoyed some adult time. Almost cut my thumb off, but it was great. Not the cutting, but we laughed about it because it was kind of funny. To me, anyway. Alright, let's go. I asked our spirit guides, my subscribers and myself, help guide me to choose a good card for this week. Alright, Psychic Awareness, Divine Soul, number 47. Alright, there's that card. I hope you guys all had a good week. We took a week off from the collab, everything, just everybody to readjust from Halloween. I know my skin, oh my goodness. My skin was dry, my eyes were sore from all the Halloween makeup looks I did online and offline. So I did some massive skincare. Alright. Once again, we ask our guides to help me choose a perfect card for myself and my subscribers. Raven Spirit, Truth, number 32. Interesting. Alright. Oh, the mask is supposed to be used for 10 to 20 minutes, and it's already been on. It's already been on 10 minutes. All right. Waning moon. The waning moon points to what's falling away. Life goes in cycles, and sometimes we need downtime or to let go. No matter when the moon cycle, oh my gosh, no matter when the moon cycle you pull this card, it's a sign that the situation has peaked, for better or worse, and it's time for you to go easier. It's the autumn and winter of the cycle. So what do you need to release? Almost certainly something from the situation you're asking about. This card can be very positive, but still, wow. This card can be very positive, but it can still be gently suggesting that you need to let something go and stop trying so hard. Additional meanings are move forward with as little resistance as possible. This is not the time to start new projects. Releasing emotional baggage is recommended. Tell someone you're sorry. Do energetic work such as meditation or yoga, and soon you will see what lies ahead. So that at the time of the waning cycle, take a moment to look up at the skies every night. You will see the moon growing smaller and smaller as she moves from full to new again. It's the time when things are falling away. It's certainly not the time to cling on to anyone or anything. Drawing this card suggests your situation is in its autumn and winter phase. So hunker down and start the regeneration process. Good card, huh? All right. Next card is Psychic Awareness, Divine Soul. Your divine soul is awakening, and with it, your psychic abilities are coming alive, more evolved and specific than basic intuition. Your psychic faculties are giving you the access to the fourth dimension and are coming into contact with discarnate, enlightened helpers who can assist and guide you in beautiful ways. You may start accessing divine music or tap into new healing energies. You may receive telepathic messages and have clairvoyant visions. Heed your newly aroused psychic faculties and don't doubt the specific and profound transmissions flowing to you. Record your dreams, believe in your hunches, and accept the symbols and signals being relayed to you from the psychic realm. Trust your vibes and embrace your psychic channels fully. What they're communicating is essential to fulfilling your purpose. Ask your divine soul to lead you. Its message: embrace and trust what you receive. That's interesting that we got that card this time of year, because this is the time of year where your psychic and your intuitive abilities are most awake when we're going into the fall. All right, the last card from Sacred Forest is Raven Spirit. Beautiful card. I love ravens and crows. Stark honesty. Yeah, I can't even talk. Stark honesty is called for at this time in your life. In ancient Greece, it was believed that ravens carried messages from the gods. And because of their acute vision, they were thought to be bringers of truth. The soul loves truth. What is your truth regarding your life? Be honest with yourself and speak from your heart. Listen for what is sincere and honest in others. Step away from those who are cagey and duplicitous. Duplicitous. I don't understand that word. Never seen it. I'll have to look it up. Or like, like duplicate, like the same, I guess. The hardest thing about living your truth is knowing exactly what that is. However, there is a place within you that always knows what is real and what isn't. Release situations and people with whom you find yourself which you find yourself less than honest, for fear of being judged or not accepted. It can take time to discover what is true for you, but once you know, let go of anything in your life that isn't authentic. Miracles follow when you take time to be genuine. The raven is also considered to be the totem protector of the Queen of Fairies. The soul loves the truth. Find your truth. Speak your truth. Live your truth. Be fearless in your journey. Follow your inner guidance. Let go of what is not authentic and sincere in life. Be a shining example of truth for others. Interesting. Kind of goes right in with that, the psychic awareness, like trusting your gut, your inner awareness, letting go. Kind of makes sense to me. All right, this has to come off. It's drying out. I really like this mask. It really makes you feel refreshed. They're lightly scented, and this one almost smells like just the tiniest hint of citrus. I don't know if it's just my imagination because it's a vitamin C mask or not. So that was the magical oracle card reading of the day, or for the week of Monday, November 6th, all the way through next Monday. So I hope these cards helped you, or helped to guide you, or just gave you something to think about. All right, I am going to let you go. I hope you have a magical week and obtain many blessings. And until next time, see you later. Bye.